In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your Power BI report after updating an Excel data source. We'll walk through the exact process of updating your source data, saving it correctly, and refreshing your Power BI report so the latest changes appear. This is perfect when you've added new rows, corrected values, or expanded your dataset and want those updates visible in your visuals. Start by opening the datasheet that feeds your Power BI report. In many cases, this is an Excel file that Power BI is connected to. Make your updates directly in that sheet. You can edit existing values, add new rows, or insert additional information. Just keep your column headers consistent so Power BI understands the structure. If you're adding new fields, make sure they're clearly labeled and formatted the same way as the rest of your data. Once your changes are in, save the Excel file. This step is essential. Power BI reads from the saved file on disk, so if you don't save, your report won't see the new information. Give it a moment to finish saving before you switch back to Power BI. Now move over to your Power BI report that uses this data. On the right-hand side, go to the data section. You'll see the data set or table that corresponds to the Excel file you just updated. Click the three dots next to the data you updated to open its context menu. Choose Refresh. If you're prompted to specify what to refresh, select Schema and Data. This tells Power BI to not only reload the records, but also to recognize any structural changes, such as new columns you might have added. Depending on the size of your file, this can take a few moments. When the refresh completes, the data you added should now be reflected in your report. Check a visual or the data view to confirm the new rows or updated values are showing as expected. If your updates were purely within existing columns, your visuals should update automatically. If you introduce new fields, you can now bring them into your visuals from the data pane. A couple of helpful tips as you work: keep your column names stable whenever possible to avoid errors, and make sure you're editing the exact Excel file that your report is connected to, not a copy stored elsewhere. Also, verify that your new entries match the data types Power BI expects, such as dates for date columns and numbers for numeric fields. That's it. By saving your Excel changes and refreshing with schema and data, your Power BI report stays in sync with your latest updates.